Your braininess. Isso é, your brain is lying to you about your true potential. You think your talents are fixed. You are wrong. In 21 days, we are going to rewrite your code. A growth mindset isn't just a buzzword, it is survival.
Success after 40 requires a complete mental overhaul.
Are you ready, mind free? Are you ready to stop being your own obstacle? Day 1 starts with radical honesty about your limits. Limitations are often just habits dressed as truths. If you do this to be a free connection, you are not too old to learn something new. In fact, your wisdom makes you more capable now. By day 5, you will start noticing the fixed voice. It's the voice that says, I am just not good at this. Silence that critic with one simple word: yet.
I am not good at this yet. I am not good at this yet. Feel the power?
Midway through, things will get uncomfortable. That is growth.
Neural pathways don't change without resistance. Push back.
You are building a resilient version of yourself.
By day 15, failure starts looking like data.
It is information for your next successful move.
The final week is about cementing your new identity.
You aren't trying to change. You have already changed.
This is how you build a life without ceilings. Imagine the doors that open when you stop knocking.
Stop knocking and start walking right through them.
Your age is your edge, not your expiration date. Growth isn't for the young, it is for the brave. Let's begin the most important work of your life. Phase 2, identifying the triggers that lock your mind. Reprime or factitious. What makes you feel like you aren't enough? We are dismantling those triggers one by one. And remember, effort is the only thing you control. Control the effort, and the results will follow. Every small win is a brick in your new foundation. You are building a skyscraper, not a shed. And don't fear the work, fear the standing still. Comfort is the enemy of the person you want to become. Read your own story with a critical but kind eye. There is a plot twist coming. and you are writing it. Focus on the process, not the podium. The rest follows.
What would you do if you knew you couldn't fail? Then now go do that with a mindset that supports it.
You aren't behind. You are exactly where you need to be. The 21-day mark is only the beginning of the new you. Watch how your relationships change when your mindset does. You stop attracting limits and start attracting opportunities. Choose. Cycle through the challenges. Don't hide from them. Ephraim, every obstacle is an invitation to grow stronger. What's the hardest thing you've avoided? Do it today. Resistance is just the old you trying to stay relevant. The new you doesn't need those old defenses anymore.
Clarity comes from action, not just from thinking.
Movement creates its own motivation. Just start. You grind for bed, Vinoy. Your potential is a field you haven't fully explored. Go further than you ever thought was possible. I believe in the version of you that is emerging. It is a person of resilience and quiet power. Take this transformation and make it your own. You are more than your past mistakes. Much more. This is your life. Own every single moment of it. Welcome to your growth mindset. Welcome to your future. The 21 days are over. The rest of your life begins. I am so proud of the work you have done. Now, fly.